By age 8, there was already a civil war going on there. Those thankfully outside of the capital, not in the capital, but we saw a lot of bombings and things like that. That's one of the superpowers you get, right? And that's what actually helps you become a good entrepreneur, because you're okay with discomfort, failure, rejection, the normal stuff that comes with starting new things. Most gifted high performance people have very, very flat sides, low performance sides to their lives, right? It just seems to be a rule. You're really good at something and you're terrible at other things. Every high performer needs a coach, because we all have massive flat sides that eventually they catch up with us and prevent us from doing the very high performance that we like doing. I ended up coaching Olympic athletes and fashion designers and artists and people like that. It's not just talent or skill, it's a gift. There's a secret sauce of some sort. And I need to own it, and I need to now steward it to the benefit of others, the hero's journey. And the reason for that is because it's a universal language of how we make meaning of the world around us. We don't make meaning in just sort of separate, isolated concepts. We make meaning in storytelling narratives. Once you put that hat on of the hero's journey, once you understand sort of these pillar concepts, it becomes incredibly powerful. Like, it's the best time in the history of humanity to develop your personal brand. And
if you haven't got the bad guy there, the evil in the world, or the injustice that's been done to the hero, you don't feel the highs and the lows that you should do if the story's being told properly.
And I think even a higher level of storytelling when you're marketing a business is you make the client, the customer, your hero. And then through your marketing efforts, you tell their story to them. If you have a mission and vision, the solution will come. Once you get to that place of clarity, you're completely unstoppable as a professional.
It's less about how you do it. It's more about solving the problems that other person complains to their wife or their husband about over dinner on a night. And that's how you'll start to be able to live the life you want to live. I think that's the important thing, is you're not just talking about helping people build a business. You're helping them create the life that they want to live themselves. I'll find a way. Like, I have to find a way. There will be a way to do it. I will find a way, and I will solve that problem. Because I believe so passionately in what I'm doing, I will find the doors that open to make things work.